Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning Volkswagen T-ROC finished in Ascot Grey. This is the new facelifted model and it's one of my colleague's cars. She gets compliments every day on the colour. It's a stunning vehicle. It's very unusual. It's called Ascot Grey and it's a new colour from Volkswagen. It's got sort of creamy beige tones to it, but it's a grey, sort of light grey as well, I guess. It's a lovely colour though. This has got the 17-inch Valencia alloy wheels on it. It means you get a really comfortable ride. So on the old T-ROC R-Lines you got 18-inch alloy wheels and the ride was firmer, and this one they've upgraded loads of materials in the cabin and the suspension's a lot smoother and it's really comfortable to drive this car. This is part of our approved use scheme as well, so you get more benefits than some new cars. So you get 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, which you wouldn't get on a new car. You'd get 1 year, so things like that upgraded. You get a 142-point check. Obviously, everything should be in really good condition. It's on the 22 plate. I'll take you inside the car now, but we'll treat it as any car, whether it'll be 10 years old or a few months old. We'll do all the checks anyway. So it just needs some washer fluid. Obviously all that will be sorted out before you do collect the car. We'll put some fuel in it for you. You've got navigation built in, so it's really nice. You can use your Apple CarPlay of course, but I quite like to use the built-in navigation. Dual zone climate control, which means you and your passenger can be the same temperature or different temperatures. And low just means low. Obviously you've got heated seats as well. So really nice. 2 USB-C charging ports. We'll give you one of these cables as well on handover if you don't have that sort of port, so you can plug it in. And then if you've got an iPhone or Android, we'll get a cable for you so that it'll fit your phone in there. Just mention it to us when you buy the car at handover and we can get that sorted for you. This one's also got park assist, which means if you indicate and engage reverse gear, I'll show you what it does. It'll find a place to park for you and it'll actually steer for you. So obviously you need to find a parking space and it'll find one for you. Oh, it started moving then. The steering wheel, but yeah, you got to indicate and go reverse and it'll do it for you, which is really cool, isn't it? So upgraded dash on this one. It's all stitched, so they've upgraded that from the old T-ROC, really plush materials. You've got a slightly higher up screen, just a bit more accessible to see there. A dark headline on the R-Line, just a bit sportier. And then you've got the new R-Line cloth seats, so it is a really lovely car. If you've got any questions about this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, please do not hesitate to contact us. This one's got auto lights as well and adaptive cruise control. So because it's the DSG model, it will also come all the way down to a stop at lights and things like that if it's on the cruise control. So really useful feature. Essentially it'll try and go whatever speed you set it at if it can. If it can, it'll slow down and follow the car at the right separation distance. So it's really clever technology. This car is on site, but obviously as it is a demonstrator model, it might not always be in. So if you do want to test drive or view this car, if you could let us know, that would be really great. We do also have a facelift cabriolet in black. So if you're liking the look of the facelift, maybe you're wanting a cabriolet, we do also have that available. So if you've got any questions, feel free to ask us and we look forward to seeing you very soon.